Hi guys, welcome to this new tutorial on advanced BIM techniques. Today we're gonna be looking at a way to transform diagrams into architecture. Usually when you design floor plans, for instance, you trace your sketches with a line, then you extrude this line, and then you have to go through the long process of exploding the element, offset all the walls, ceilings, trim them together and create a solid geometry. Instead, there are some very simple definitions that you can write in Grasshopper that can do that for you. So for instance, if here we have a funny form, we can just tell Grasshopper to do this for us. Let me flip this curve. There it is. So now if we bake this geometry, okay, select everything, and we run a section through it, we can see what's going on. Okay, so now we're gonna look at the definition. Definition, it's a very simple definition. Basically, you're going to create a curve. You're going to create an offset for this curve. Now, as long as you work on x, y coordinates, everything is going to be very simple. You're not going to need any reference plane. We're gonna be looking at these techniques also in the future. Then you're gonna be using a couple of sliders. For commodity, I'm just gonna copy these ones. And in this case, one is gonna define the wall height and the other one the wall thickness. Then next we're gonna be taking an extrusion. And to this extrusion we're gonna be extruding the original line plus the offset line. Here we need a Z vector. And there it is. And here we're gonna have another extrusion. And in this case, the wall height of this extrusion is going to be the wall height itself minus the wall thickness. So we're gonna look at a subtraction. We're gonna input A in here, B in here, and use another Z vector to give it a direction. So if now we look at what's going on in here, we'll set this one curve. Let me flip the curve. So now we see that we have an interior wall, an exterior wall, and now we need to cap these two walls. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna be asking for a move command, where we basically are going to use a planar surface. And this planar surface is going to move up together with the wall. And then another planar surface with the offset, with another move that it's going to use the same There it is. We're gonna hide the rest of the geometry. So here, 1, 2. This we can also hide it. Okay. And we're gonna put everything into a geometry tab. Geometry component. And bake it. Okay. As you can see, we have our solid geometry. And now, no matter which curve we're gonna use, this is always gonna give us an element with a certain wall thickness, wall height. Forgot to set the wall thickness also for the offset. There it is. And it works just perfect. So, for instance, if you want to grab a point of this curve and pull it, the definition will update by itself. And this can be a very good starting point for you to start creating geometry very quickly. As you can understand, you can repeat these definition inside Grasshopper and create different elements that then you can put together and combine together. As always, if you have any questions, any curiosity, just drop me a comment and I'll try to get back at you as soon as possible. Thank you.